Hi. So what's the connection between good relationships and time management? What's the connection between having a happy atmosphere in our homes and getting organized for the holidays properly, especially when we're talking about the high holidays and the whole month of Tishrei and all of the holidays that are there? We always put this emphasis on getting ready for Pesach, but the truth is that the holidays in Tishrei are just as hard in different ways to get ready for. Specifically because we have a lot of holidays that are bunched together with not that much time in between, or hardly any time actually, to get ready for them. And this all comes at the end of the summer, beginning of the school year, and all of a sudden we wake up and we say, wow, it's Rosh Hashanah soon. What do we have to do? How many days is it? How many meals? How am I going to get organized? And so when this would happen to me, I wouldn't sit back calmly and say, oh, well, no. It would cause me a lot of stress, a lot of nervousness, a lot of late nights, a lot of getting pretty upset at all of the family members around me, my husband, my kids. And I realized that there really is a very big connection between getting organized, time management, and having good relationships. And so I came up with this method called the S.W.A.G method. Start writing and get ready. What does this mean? This is the way that the method works. What the problem was is that I had too many things to do, not that much time to get them done in, and it would cause me a lot of stress. One of the major reasons is that there would be so many things, I would inevitably forget a lot of the things. So the first thing that we do is that we start writing. Give yourself at least 2 hours. Don't get nervous about this. It's going to save you so much time. Sit down and start writing. Write it all. Write what you'd like your dream holiday to be, how you would like to feel as you're lighting the candles, what you would like to see around you, the table, what you're smelling from the kitchen, the food that you've prepared, everything that that's important for you for the holiday at hand. Now we're talking about Rosh Hashanah. Maybe there's spiritual preparation that you want to do. Everything that you want to do, write this down in the list. Write, please. The more you write, the more likely you are to get everything that you want done. The more likely it will be that when you light candles, it will look like the picture that you have in your mind. So after you write this all down, then you take another piece of paper and you divide it into columns, and you make a chart. Each column is a different category. All the things I have to buy, all the things I have to cook, all the things I have to get ready for the house, all the extra things like finally remembering to call my aunt before Rosh Hashanah and to wish her a Shana Tova. All of these things I'm going to write down in different categories. I'm going to go through the first page that I wrote down with everything, all of my dreams, and then I'm going to write, okay, so if I want to have chicken soup, so I have to buy the vegetables, I have to buy the chicken, and I have to have time to cook it. So I'm going to put everything in its proper category, in its proper column. Then on my third page, I'm going to take a plain piece of paper. I'm not going to get crazy about this. I'm not going to get fancy about it. The most important thing is at the end of this project, I will have one piece of paper that will guide me. I can put it in my pocket. I can take it with me wherever I go, and I know what I have to do when. Just make a calendar, take a piece of paper, make a chart, put lines, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the days of the week, the dates from now until the holiday, and then you go through your chart and you put in which day am I going to do what. But the first thing, before you start doing that, I should have said first, is that you cross off the times. If you know that you're working certain days, you have meetings certain days, you have other things that you have to do at certain times, write them in first so that you won't be caught by surprise. Oh, I thought I was going to go shopping on Wednesday, but I forgot that I have this appointment. No, put in everything that's in your schedule as it is now, and then you will put in all of the activities that you have to do, all of the jobs, all of the tasks, all of the chores, everything that's on that list, you'll put in. And if you see that you have too many things to do, you know what? You're allowed to cross things off your list. It's so much more important that you come into the holidays rested and happy with a smile on your face, that there be another cake or another salad. And so this, in very, very short form, is the S.W.A.G method. I have, if you would like, please just click on the bottom and I will be very happy to send you pages that I made up that will just guide you through this in an easier type of way. The pages are already made up with the charts, with the calendar, with the questions, in order to get all of the information down on paper. Besides that, I give talks on this subject. Besides that, I work with people individually. All of this is in the framework of the work that I do with helping people empower themselves and empower their marriages, empower their relationships in order to have a happier, calmer, just more enjoyable life. And so just reminding you that after the holidays, we'll be starting again with our workshop series, What's Up With Your Marriage. It's a What's Up workshop, something new, something different. There's going to be a link to that on the bottom also. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm just wishing you a Shana Tova. Have a happy, healthy, sweet new year.